Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the Notion mobile app. Tap your avatar or initials in the upper left or open the side menu. This opens account settings. Once done, you'll see Profile at the top. Tap it to edit. Make sure you're on the account you want to change. Switching accounts here is faster than logging out. If the profile option isn't visible, update the app and restart. This gets you directly to the area where the picture can be changed without extra navigation. Now you'll choose the image. Tap Change or Edit beside the avatar. Select Take Photo to capture one or photo library/files to pick an existing picture. Once selected, Notion shows a cropping circle. Drag and pinch to frame your face or logo. After you crop, tap Save or Done to upload. This replaces your avatar across all devices. If you prefer initials, you can clear the photo to revert. Make sure the image meets size and aspect. Finish by tapping Save or Done. Wait a few seconds for Notion to sync your new avatar to the cloud and other devices. If the image doesn't update, force close the app and reopen, then check your internet connection. Once you've tried that, sign out and sign back in or clear app cache. Reinstall only if necessary. If switching accounts, verify you changed the intended profile. This quick troubleshooting resolves most update delays so your new picture appears everywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.